This video contains voiceover. I'm sick, so you're gonna see me shoving some tissues in my nose. What, you wanna fight about it? This is the part where I don't feel so swell. So I leave for 2 seconds and these cats destroy everything. Anyways. None of my audio recorded, and that's why I'm doing a voiceover, but just pretend I just said, "Hey Jenny, the chess table's ready. I did all that work just so we could play a game of chess." I also made this before Magnus actually won, so if he did win, I called it, and if not, I just wasted 4 hours of my life. Bye!